If you're struggling as trader right now, if trading has filled you with nothing but frustration, if this path feels never ending, if you can't see any light at the end of the tunnel to hold on to, I just want to say one thing. You're going to be okay. It will work out for you. All the time, all the effort, every single day you have spent grinding this out, it will pay off in ways you don't expect it yet. The path you're on, this dream of becoming a successful trader, it's filled with so many dark nights that you start to question it. Am I even meant for this? Am I just wasting my time? Remember this. Anything done with good intentions is never wasted. You're not wasting anything. You're building a life you have always dreamed of. And it's there waiting for you. Everything you have ever wanted is already there. You just have to keep moving toward it. Trading is just the path that's carrying you closer. So you keep walking, you keep trying, you keep believing in yourself. Because one day you will look back and you will realize how far you have actually come. And here's the strange part nobody warns you about. This is a journey with no destination. One day you will just wake up and you'll be suddenly profitable. And you won't even believe it. Because by then you'll have stopped thinking about being profitable. The only thing that will matter to you is the process. It won't matter if you were right or wrong on a single trade. It won't matter if you made money today or not. You will have stopped chasing the money entirely. What got you in the first place, you would stop caring about it. At first, seeing green, sure, it will feel good, but the money will never be the thing that satisfies you. The only thing that will matter is whether you stayed true to your process, a process you spent years mastering. That's what brings the real joy, not the money. Because when you finally become profitable, the money becomes just a number, a score that keeps ticking up. But the process is what reminds you of the journey. All the time, all the effort, everything you poured into to get you where you are. You'll smile when you make it, but it'll be a short smile because arriving never feels the way you imagine it will. So fall in love with the process because that and not the money is the only thing that brings you true joy when you get there.